Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you set out to buy a snow plow attachment for your truck, it may cost you anywhere between $750 to $1,500. You also have to add the cost of incidental repairs, maintenance, and gas to the initial investment. Also, you need some expertise to clear snow from a driveway using a plow.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Fast forward to present day, and plowing snow can be very profitable when done correctly. Some people can earn more money plowing snow than many earn in a full year at their full-time job. It is not uncommon for a snow plowing business to earn $50,000 or more per plow truck during a single winter.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.